What's up guys? Here's another unboxing video.
So I'll just single. Okay. Diyos ko, wala man.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi. Just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. Control and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to the United States. Is that right? Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Yes.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
Yes, Chinese one.
Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat video. Now, next up, the legal stuff. In short, type your email address or phone number.
Okay.
These are the settings Microsoft recommends. Go ahead and review them and select Accept when you're ready.
Except. So, ang Android ay ang IBM PC pa kaya explain pa.
save your spot in apps, files, and websites, so you can keep doing what you were doing, even when you switch devices. Just choose Yes to sync your activities.
Sync.
Now let's link your phone and PC using a Microsoft app that can work some magic between your devices. We'll send you a text to get everything. Should we get it ready for you to use?
Merong bibigay sa akin yung school ko.
So this one, the free one, you don't need.
May provided.
Your device manufacturer would like your contact info to send you updates and such.
Binigay mo kaya niya sa laptop ko.
Hindi, ayusin ko pa lang to.
So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching.